To install Python, visit python.org. From here, highlight Downloads, and it should automatically detect the version you need. If you click on these options, you can pick specific versions of Python for your needs, but this is fine for me, so I'm going to click on this and then it will download it to my downloads folder. Once you have downloaded it, you can then double click the file. So on here, this is the one that's just been downloaded. We'll double click and it will launch the installer. The default should be okay. It should tell you it's installing idle, pip and documentation. If it doesn't say pip, you must click on customize installation and just make sure you have ticked it there. You also need to make sure that you've added Python 3.8 to path. So I'm going to click that and then I can click install now. This will take a little while to install, so I'm just going to pause the recording. Okay, you can see it's now installed, so setup was successful. So I'm going to close this. I'm then going to open command prompt. So you'll need to find that on your computer. Normally, if you've got Windows 10, where you've got your search bar on the bottom left, just put CMD and then load up the command prompt. And then from here, to install any extra modules, I can just type pip install and then the name of the module. So I want to install PyGame. So you'll need PyGame if you're taking the A-level, or if you want to just have a play around with some more advanced programming features of Python. It'll tell me it's already installed. On yours it should get a progress bar which will just go across. And I'm also going to install PyTweening. And then I'll get the same message. It's really easy to install. So there's lots and lots of different modules that you can install for Python. If you just Google Python module list, you should be able to see what's on there. You can experiment with different things. Okay, I hope you found that helpful.